A very good morning to everyone present here. First of all, I would like to begin by thanking the school, St. John's Universal, the principal, Jaiswal ma'am, the GM, Qureshi sir, seated over there, and everyone present here for such a warm welcome. The feeling of being respected and loved so much is something I really can't express in words right now. Sorry, my own echo is disturbing me, but okay. I have been to, sorry, I don't have a speech ready because I always believe in speaking spontaneously, and I am out of words. I'm literally short of words because these kids I was busy sitting there. Instead of, I had thought when I left from home, I thought I will remember what I have to say. I will prepare speech while sitting there. But honestly, looking at these kids, I was busy recording videos of the kids. I have so many videos on my phone already because it's just amazing to see these little kids participate in these sports activities, and you lovely parents. You guys are amazing. I just saw how the parents were helping the kids in the races. They were equally involved. They were in fact more involved than the kids, and that's something I respect. So a big salute to all the parents sitting out here. And it's something that's really coming from my heart because I saw the involvement and it's amazing, and I would really like to congratulate the teachers, the management staff and everybody who has put together such an event where these little wonders are actually, as I said, I'm out of words, and sports is such an integral and important part of academic years and even otherwise in life, as sports doesn't only help in physical fitness and strength, but it helps build confidence. It helps the child, a person, to connect with people more, to be more confident. It helps in communication. It helps in so many ways that I can't even remember to state right now. So it's great to see the parents encourage their kids and the teachers to encourage the kids to participate in these activities here. It's just amazing. I have been to school events before, but this is the first of its kind involving such little kids in these activities. And see my grin, my smile, it's just not going because they are so cute and so adorable. And I thoroughly enjoyed my experience sitting over there. The display, I would like to mention, I was just having a word with Principal Ma'am. I asked her if these kids have practiced on this ground before, and I was told no. And I'm shocked. In spite of not having practiced on this ground, the kids were so good. Their coordination, their perfection. Hats off kids, big congratulations and thumbs up to everybody who has worked so hard to put this together. And thank you so much everyone to let me talk so much. Thanks again and enjoy the rest of the event. Thank you.